Good morning, traders. Today is the 23rd of June 2022. I'm here to provide you an update on the cryptocurrency market. We have been seeing some heavy sell-off in the cryptocurrency market in the last couple of weeks, but I think we're likely to see a bounce. If you like to learn more about our trading system, get the latest market update, or follow our trade, it's very simple. All you have to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel and put a comment in this video. Then I will personally add you to our supportive community. Thank you. So what's happening with the cryptocurrency market? You can see on the right bottom of the chart, we are seeing some bullish momentum. Bitcoin is up 3.6%, and then Ethereum is actually up 5%, and the smaller coins up a bit more. Litecoin is probably the leader of today. The reason why I said we are potentially going to see a bounce in the market is because, you know, Bitcoin tried to dip below the 20,000 level. You can see through here. All right. The weekly bar, weekly bar seems a bit exhausted to me. The biggest selling bar in the support area. So we're likely probably going to see a bounce, but how high? I think I remained questionable to around 30,000. I see this probably will test again, or maybe a spike lower to this in the summertime. All right. Let me drop down to a time frame to show you why I think we're likely to see a bounce, or where it needs to break before we can see a bounce. So on the 4-hour chart, potentially we are forming a inverted head and shoulder. So let me draw that to you. Shoulder, head, shoulder pattern. So if price break above 22, stay above 22, maybe we will see 28 under 30. So could potentially take a trade on that, but let's see how the price develop on that. Trading on Bitcoin long, the swap is quite high, so I have to pay for my account size. I have to pay about 20-30 pounds a day to stay in the trade. So it's not the cheapest to do it, but if you can use the reward to compensate your swap, would be something to consider. All right, let's move on to Ethereum quickly and see what it's doing. Ethereum again is more bearish than Bitcoin. Why did I say that? You can see the previous level. Let me just draw a line, horizontal line. The previous high, the 2018 high, is around just under 1,400. We are below at the moment, so I'm not gonna trade it. We may see a bounce back to the 1,400 or a bit higher to the 1,800, 1,700 area. Then I see it will test this 1,000 area. Ultimately, I'm still bullish long term, but in the shorter term, I think we are going to see more selling before it turns bullish. What do you guys think? Are you a long-term bullish on cryptocurrency, or do you think this is the end of cryptocurrency? Leave your comment below, and we'll look forward to seeing you again. Thank you so much.